big bad world of Bollywood says that it was their dream to become an actor. No matter how their acting careers turn out to be, these stars don't wish to give up on their dreams. But over the years, we realized our favorite Bollywood stars are good at many other fields than just facing the camera. We decided to speculate on which careers would have been perfect for few of them, if not acting. Let's have a look at some probable alternative careers for a few B-Town celebs. Starting with Mr. Aishwarya Rai, Abhishek Bachchan. With his not-so-successful Bollywood innings, we think it's time this AB's baby should look out for his true calling, which we think is stand-up comedian. Abhishek is gifted with great sense of humor and can use it to hilt. Ritesh Deshmukh should ideally have followed his father's path and ventured into politics, but decided to take up acting. But if in future Ritesh Deshmukh doesn't receive any plum offers, he can be a makeover consultant. He did the best drag act in Bollywood, so can easily help girls with their makeup and even men who wish to play women on screen. One can think that with such sense of style and perfect physique to die for, Salman can either be a stylist or trainer. But we beg to differ. Going by the number of criminal records he has, we think the most apt alternative career for Salman is to be a lawyer. However, there's a small hitch. He would be so busy with his own cases that he won't have time for other clients. Playboy magazine is the ultimate erotic fun for guys. If Playboy starts issuing magazines for girls, no one other than John Abraham fits to be its pin-up model. His yellow trunks butt show in Dostana soared the temperatures on screen and made girls swoon over him. So if he appears on Playboy magazine for women, it would definitely sell million copies. We wonder what can Karan Johar be best at, other than filmmaking and styling clothes. After television anchoring and hosting parties, what else is left for Karan to do? We think that he can be the best undercover agent for secret agencies, as everyone knows what a wonderful eavesdropper Karan is. Former beauty queen Priyanka Chopra is currently busy receiving great accolades for her acting abilities. However, when she grows old and has nothing to do but motherly or sisterly roles, Priyanka can start writing a blog or column about how to make friends and win people. Piggy Chops, with his sugar-coated tongue, shares warm rapport with all the biggies of Bollywood. Leggy lass Deepika Padukone can always choose to be a badminton player when she decides to quit acting. But we think there's one more thing that will make her equally successful. Deepika can start a PR agency, as she knows all the tricks of this trade. Dips, with her PR skills, have managed to make Siddharth Malya one of the hottest things to look out for. Firangi babe Katrina Kaif is one actress who has no lack of opportunities apart from adding up to the glam quotient in Bollywood movies. We wish to add one more to her list. Kat can be a Hindi to English translator. After spending so many years in the industry, Katrina has at least managed to understand Hindi, if not speak it. So, she can be a translator to all the Videshi guests in India. Bachchan Bahu Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is just not a Bollywood star, but is an international celebrity too. Looking at her global image, it seems that she might never need an alternative career option. But what's the harm in proposing one? This former beauty queen can open up a laughter club, as Ash is always spotted laughing out loud. Last and the obvious one is Koina Mitra. This Bengali sex siren can be the best plastic surgeon, and do we even need to tell you why? Hope when these actors decide to bid adieu to Bollywood, they realize their true calling. This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.